Hi, this is P R Sundar. Today morning, I went to a petrol bunk. An young man and the petrol bunk owner, they both were fighting. I asked them what happened. The petrol bunk owner told me, "Sir, this guy asked me for 10 liters petrol and I gave him, and I asked him to pay money. He is refusing to pay." I asked the young man, "What happened? You have taken a petrol, why are you not paying the money?" He said, "Sir, petrol pricing is a free pricing product. You look, international market yesterday, crude oil was minus $37. So you buy a crude oil, they are paying you, sir. So when I buy a petrol, also they should pay me, right? Why should I pay?" Well, this is just for fun. Don't go to petrol bunks and ask for free petrol or demand the money. The talk of the town is crude oil traded at minus $37. Many people were wondering how, why. The crude oil that is expiring today all are marked for delivery, which means that you buy, you cannot sell it again. You have to take the delivery of the crude oil, physical delivery of the crude oil. So those people who bought it and thinking that worst case scenario, we can take delivery and we can store it in storage facilities. The shocking news came, most of the storage facilities are completely full. So no more storage is possible. And that has created a huge panic among the buyers. So they were ready to sell at any price. So that is why the crude oil has come to trade in negative territory, and that is only for the contracts expiring today. The June month contracts are doing very well. Today morning, one guy tweeted in a private message, "Sir, can I buy crude oil? I will also be getting $37. And it's good only, right? I can sell the crude oil later." So I replied him, when you get married, you also get a girl and you also get a dowry. So you're thinking that it is a double bonanza. But the fact is that your father-in-law is giving you money because you are going to suffer for the whole lifetime with that girl. So the same way, I told him, they are not paying you $37 just for free, and you have to take the physical delivery of the crude oil, 1 barrel, and where you have to suffer by keeping that at your house without any storage facility. Disclaimer, I do not support a dowry system, and whatever I said here is just purely for fun and to make the concept understanding. I have given the analogy, and thanks for watching.